Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the NEWBULIG 3QT Compact Digital Air Fryer, a perfect small kitchen companion for quick and healthy meals. This air fryer is designed for compact spaces, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or small kitchens. Despite its size, it delivers powerful performance and can cook food up to 4x faster than a traditional oven, saving both time and energy. It features a simple touchscreen control panel, letting you easily adjust time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for precise cooking. Whether you're making fries, chicken, or snacks, it keeps things quick and hassle-free. The 3-quart capacity is perfect for 1 to 2 people, and thanks to air frying technology, you can cook with little to no oil for healthier meals without sacrificing crispiness. Cleaning is super easy too, with a non-stick plate and dishwasher-safe basket, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. For safety, it includes an auto shutoff feature, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Overall, the NEWBULIG air fryer is a great pick if you want a compact, easy-to-use, and efficient cooking solution for everyday meals. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.